Namaste, friends. Today we shall see a highly nourishing, very easy to make, yet very easily digestible breakfast recipe. This is especially beneficial for people with weak digestive system or people suffering from chronic illnesses. It is very simple to make. Just take the rice of your choice. Here I have used the Siraga Samba rice. I just soaked it for half an hour. Add 4 to 5 times of the water to the rice that we have taken. We continue to keep the pot open. We won't be closing it with a lid. Slowly the rice starts to cook and we find foam forming on the top. Keep the flame low to medium and just leave the container on the stove. Once the rice is half cooked, we'll remove some of the rice starch and allow the rice to cook completely. Then we shall add the kokum juice, which I extracted by boiling the kokum in the cooker and then smashed it well and then filtered it. We get these dried kokum peels readily in the market. Due to the presence of phytochemicals like garcinol, hydroxycitric acid, cyanidin, etc., this kokum has amazing health benefits like it has antioxidant, anti-obesity, anti-arthritic, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, hepatoprotective, and many more properties which are very useful to us, and especially it helps to treat diarrhea and also helps to promote digestion. Adding this kokum juice is completely optional. We will then add Himalayan rock salt as per our taste. Then the crushed spices like cumin, pepper. Then we'll also add herbs like curry leaves and turmeric powder. Mix them all nicely and then we can switch off the stove. And then add freshly ground and filtered coconut milk and give it a good stir. And then finally we can add banana stem powder, which is very good to heal our ulcers. Mix it well and garnish finally with the coriander leaves. If you feel like, you may add extra coconut milk for taste. You may add a teaspoon of melted A2 cow milk ghee before consuming. And here is our highly energetic and tasty, mouth-watering and flavorful breakfast ready. The cup with the white colored soup is just with the coconut milk. The other bowl besides that is made with the banana stem powder, and the other one is with the turmeric powder in it. This creamy rice soup is so comforting to our stomach. Just make and enjoy. Thank you very much.